Today is Wednesday. No, it's not.
The walls come up lovely.
Have you done the walls as well?
Yeah.
Oh, good man. After a hard day's work, come here, relax. It's a bit of me, this is. We've had a really great 2022. We've grown a lot since 2021. Brake lights?
Wants to know.
Brake lights?
Wants to know.
Help if I plugged it in.
It's been a long hard day, hasn't it?
Hi everyone, I'm Conan from LBC. Today we're working on a job in Finchley at a David Lloyd's club where we'll be doing some paving cleaning. It's Monday the 20th of December. It's 8:48 and we're ready to get cracking. So we recently invested in a new piece of equipment. It's a Fouch, which is 300 bar, 18 litres per minute, and it's basically a hot pressure washer. We've had it all serviced and this is the first job we're trying it out on. So let's see how it does. Let's take a look at the area first for cleaning. Obviously there's been a lot of building work here and the patios and paving haven't been covered, so there's cement splashes, mastic, all of that sort of thing. They've already pressure washed it with a cold machine, but as you can see, it hasn't done a great job. So cement splashes like this, we're going to be looking to try and get as much of this off as possible. Hopefully we'll be able to get a lot of it off, but with cement and different stains like this, it's always hard to know. Again, you've got some cement there and some mastic over here. So firstly, we're going to go over it with a surface cleaner and hot water just to see how that comes up. That's probably the least aggressive method. If that doesn't work, we're going to then come at it with the turbo nozzle and hot water again. And failing that again, we've got some cement removal acid that we can try as well. The area we're cleaning is all of this granite or imitation granite slabs that run around. None of that imitation decking, stone, and all the paving leading back up to the van. So we've got Danny here with us today. He's going to be on the surface cleaner to start with. So you just seen what happened there. Out of nowhere, the hose just burst. So we could have edited that out, but we thought we'd keep it in and show you guys why it's so important to wear PPE. So Danny, fortunately, wasn't hurt when it happened. He's wearing all his PPE, and now we just have to shorten the hose. We're going to try and make it reach with the other hose that we have. We normally have a spare hose on board, but because this is a new machine, there's no spare hose on board. So hopefully we'll be able to reach with one hose. If not, I'm going to shoot back to the yard and pick up another hose. But wear your PPE, guys, that's why.
Now I've got to wrap up this bad hose and replace it with a good one and carry on with the job. Improve and overcome, that's our motto here at LBC. We like to get things done.
Right guys, so I'm going to just shoot back to the yard, pick up the other 20 metre spare hose. Danny's going to continue on doing the bits that he can reach.
As you can see, we've spit over the area here with the mosmatic, and now I'm going to go along with the turbo nozzle. We're going to rinse down the walls and the pathway as we go along. There's some just excess marks and that on the wall here. The client has asked us to give it a blow over, see if we can remove any of the marks on the wall while we're here, so doing them a favour in turn. And then yes, we're going to carry on and clear up the rest of the area as we go, and then hopefully should make a start on the main area.
So I've just got back, picked up the spare 20-metre hose that we had at the yard. It's got some different fittings on it, so we're just going to change it over to these other style of fittings.
The walls come up lovely.
Have you done the walls as well?
Yeah.
Oh, good man.
We've gone over the area now with our mosmatic cleaner, and it ain't bringing up as good as we had hoped originally, so what we're going to do is we're going to revert over to the turbo with some steam, and we're going along and removing all the excess cement and brick that's been left from the building works. So far so good, it is removing it, lovely.
After that little incident that we had with the hose, all seems to be going well now. We've got the new hose connected, we've got enough hose to do the job, and the turbo nozzle on the steam seems to be taking up all the sort of concrete and cement stains and mastic stains and all the sort of builder stains that's been on the pavement. And I was a little bit worried before the job because the other company had already cleaned it all with a cold pressure washer and they couldn't get any of the stains off. So I managed the customer's expectations, saying, look, I'm not sure we're going to be able to get them all off, but we should be able to get a lot more of them off with the steam, and also we're trying some acid. We haven't had to use the acid yet, but that's still in our arsenal if we need to use that. But so far, it's coming up good just with the steam and the turbo nozzle. So yeah, really happy with that. I've been looking forward to this. Going to have a quick go of my new toy. So we're nearly there now, guys. We've just got these two sets of steps here. I've already given a bit of a pre-treatment to some of the heavy cement stains with a bit of acid. And after we do these two sets of steps with a turbo, we'll go up and give the resin. They want to give the resin a quick rinse off. So we'll give the resin bond a rinse off with a surface cleaner. So I mentioned, guys, that we're doing the job for David Lloyd. We're actually doing the job for Mac, who are doing the groundworks for David Lloyd's in this Finchley club. And basically, a lot of the David Lloyds have been upgrading their grounds and making lovely outdoor areas like this, which Mac have been a big part of doing all the groundworks to make this happen. So here you can see they've got an outdoor jacuzzi, a fire pit, a lovely pod, and an outdoor sauna, outdoor shower. This is really nice. After a hard day's work, come here, relax. It's a bit of me, this is. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Before signing off, just want to say a massive thank you to all our fans who's watching the videos, everyone who's commenting and subscribing, and especially all our clients. It's been a really great 2021. We've grown a lot since 2020, and we've got some big plans for 2022. So just want to say Merry Christmas to all our clients, and hope you have a great Christmas and all the best for 2022. Brakes.
On to yes.
Right indicator.
On to yes.
Left indicator.
On to yes. Good to go, my friend.
See you in the next one.